Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide all Facebook photos at once. So all you have to do here is you have to open your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your application or Facebook application here. Now tap these three lines at the top right corner, and then this time you have to click this gear icon or settings and privacy. So once you tap this gear icon and go to settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and look for your activity. So under your activity, you see this activity log. Click this one. And what you're going to do here under activity log is you have to look for your personal activity. As you can see, there are tons of different activities here, public posts and so on. But you have to look for your Facebook activity and you look for post or manage post here. Tap this post, this arrow facing down, and click this your post photos and videos. When you tap this, it will take you directly to all of the photos and posts that you have shared. So all you have to do here is to look for photos or tap this a filter icon and then look for category photos. Tap this three dots at the bottom right corner. Click change audience. And then after that, tap change audience again, and then set this to only me. And then what you're going to do next is tap change, and that's it. So you have set your photos to only me or private at once. So you just have to look for photos right here under your Facebook activity with photos as your category. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.